Hi, welcome to my Cryptovolution review. My name is Henry Tate. So what is Cryptovolution all about? Cryptovolution is an automated video blog system to turn any new, fresh, empty WordPress to a fully automated WordPress video affiliate blog. The features of the Cryptovolution website is designed to work smoothly and professionally in done for you fashion, so you don't need any skills to maintain the website or update the content, and your website include premium divi theme installed and fully customized, all needed plugins to automate the website for content, all needed plugins to avoid duplicate posts. The maintenance for database is automated. The maintenance for plugins and theme updates automated. Fully customized admin dashboard for manual posts if you want. Responsive mobile-friendly website. You can sell your products or sell ad spaces. Advertisements ready. Social media integration. Cryptovolution is an automated affiliate blogs. You can use Cryptovolution to become a Cryptovolution superhero today. You will get 2 cryptocurrency and forex blocks plus 2 Amazon stores with push button to install at any hosting. Yes, once you buy Cryptovolution, you can get these content creation video blocks up and running in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, grab your copy of Cryptovolution content creation video blocks right now. Step 2, set up your blocks in 10 minutes or order the done for you service. Our team set up for you. And step 3, sit back and enjoy loads of traffic coming from social media visiting your automated blogs. Turn your blogs into automated video sites in 10 minutes. The easy way to promote affiliate offers without writing any content or doing any manual work. So how much does Cryptovolution cost? At the front end is $27, but right now you get it through my link in the description below. You can get it at $23.50. And the upsell, first upsell is done for you set up Cryptovolution blocks, which is priced at $220. And upsell number 2 is 5 years hosting for blocks, $220. And upsell number 3, done for you professional 5 gig, which is priced at $240. When you get Cryptovolution through my link in the description below, you will get these bonuses which I prepared for you. Bonus number 1, which is valued at $427.95, is Enigma. And you will also get bonus number 2, which is valued at $46.95, and it is your isolate your traffic with Bing. And you also get bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is content creation hack. And you will also get bonus number 4, priced at $267, but you will get it free. And this is get Gemini, and you also get the vendor bonuses. So once you purchase Cryptovolution, you will bring you to the members area, and here is the introduction.
Hello, my superhero, super affiliate to crypto.
Hello, my
Okay,
superhero.
and then after that you will have all the downloads, main block, bonus block, all these things that you are available to you. Okay, and then there are the bonuses that the vendor has for you. Okay, all these are available to you, and these are the downloadable bonuses. There are so many of the bonuses here for you. Okay, software business in a box, 5-figure freedom, extra bonus number 1, extra bonus number 2, and also extra bonus number 3. Okay, and then you have the tons of tutorials, all the how-tos, how to get your domains and hosting, how to download blocks backup files, how to install fresh WordPress new blog, how to personalize your Cryptovolution blocks, how to make money with the blocks, how to Cryptovolution blocks and validators, how to make your Facebook page go viral, affiliate networks, how to change your blog to any topic, how to monetize your blogs with ClickBank. And there are extras for you, 30 minutes blogging, and there are the other upgrades if you want to upgrade. And then you can also join as an affiliate to market this product. So there are other things that you can. These are the request block on demand, and then the upsell number 1, upsell number 2, and upsell number 3. Okay, all these are all available to you. So these are all in the members area. So once you purchase this product, you will be able to access the members area. So right now, let me bring you to the demo video.
If you like to build your own money-making website without creating any content, no paid traffic, no expensive outsourcing for freelancers, not even to buy a single plugin, or pay a lot of money for premium theme subscription, then pay attention. In this short video, I can show you how to get fully automated video curator website. Getting fresh content every day, monetized with affiliate products. From ClickBank, Amazon, or any affiliate network. We have saved all the time to make this professionally designed website. Ready for you to get it up and running in just few clicks. Monetize with your affiliate IDs. This is 100% unique product you cannot find somewhere else. If you did not bought from us before, only with our professional expert team, you just relax, because we already did the hard work for you. We have already set up a premium theme, installed all the time saving necessary plugins. We automated this website with related content to your website niche without you lifting a finger. We have customized every piece of the website for you. We have turned the basic WordPress dashboard to new look that makes your website looks very professional. And we packed all these in one zipped file you just extract in few minutes. To your hosting and your site up and running, 100% in complete autopilot.
You are literally few steps away from getting your own professionally designed WordPress website. And start generating unlimited related content that will attract unlimited traffic, leads, and profits from banner ads. With our professional non-seen-before premium service, you can start getting that in just few steps. Step 1. Purchase your domain or use existing one. Step 2. Place your order now. St. Fees 3. Download pre-made turnkey website restoring files. Step 4. Upload the files to your server. And just relax, watch your site get tons of viral related content that you can share on social media to bring more interested leads to your content. To show them your ads. Then collect the commissions that will start flow to your account. All you have to do is just follow a very short videos, even your 14 years old kid can follow it to get things done. Even you can hire one of our team to do this part for you, and you just watch your favorite movie in Netflix. That's it, your job is done. Your site will start getting new content automatically added, and the search engine will start discovering your new pages right away, sending you visitors day after day. So how these sites making money? The customization we already applied for your site, taking place behind the scene. We set website to generate content related to your site niche, with affiliate link inside. So every time someone comes to your site, clicks your affiliate links and buys, you earn commission. The website we built will fetch the content from YouTube, Amazon, ClickBank and RSS news feeds, in complete autopilot. No duplicate content, without any issue with copyrights. Videos, article, images, posted to your site without you doing anything.
How cool is that? And if you think about it, it costs less than most people spend on coffee every single month. And after you get your site up and running, our professional support providers will help you with anything needed for your site. Not only that, for the coming year, we will update and do the maintenance for you if you order the setup service or hosting service from us. Updating theme and plugins, taking care of the website database, and technical stuff to keep your site up and running very smoothly. For every beginner who wants to build new website has to worry about 1. Time. WordPress has a steep learning curve. 2. Quality. Your first few attempts at building your own WP blog are liable to be pretty pathetic. 3. Selecting the right income generating, theme and time saving plugins for your site is an art. 4. Writing daily content is hugely time consuming, and besides, many of us, not particularly good writers. 5. Paying for maintenance is a monthly expensive. Well, now you don't have to worry about any of that because we are experts at doing all of it. One of the most popular ways for beginners to make money with a blog is affiliate marketing, such as putting the right ads in strategic locations on your site. But do you know how to do this to take advantage of these income-generating tactics? No worries, because we do. Your new blog will be loaded with money-making ads and interesting viral content that will be generated for you daily. Currently, the top money-making niches are finance, food, fashion, travel, marketing, health and fitness, mom blog, lifestyle, sports, news. We already included the number 1 and 2 in this product for you.
So, act now and get the service directly from the product creator. Start building your blogging empire with mobile-friendly responsive WP blogs today. Just click on the link below.